Hey, what's going on everybody? It is Wheels Up Garrett, and today I'm in Singapore, and today I'm going to be taking Jetstar Asia and Airbus A320 from Singapore to Kuala Lumpur, leaving at about 12:50 p.m. And right now I'm just in my hotel room at the Crown Plaza, Changi Airport. I don't want to say that incorrectly. If I did say that incorrectly, please correct me in the comments below. Changi. I just want to know, because I'm kind of illiterate with that. I want to know how you properly say the name of Singapore. But anyway, this is the hotel room. I know it's a bit messy because I was here for the night, but just want to show you guys a little bit. It's kind of a mess, so please forgive me. But that's a little bit of what you'll get here. This is a great airport hotel to stay at if you're in transit. I got here last night, crashed the night, and I'm getting up and heading to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So yeah, thank you guys for coming along. Let's go to Kuala Lumpur. And before we get on the flight, I'm going to show you guys a few clips of the hotel, just so you guys can get a sense of what it's like at the hotel. It's really nice. So let's get on with it. So one cool thing that I've seen that we don't have in the US is the automatic bag drop. So you can go up to the kiosk and you scan your boarding pass and stuff, and they take your picture, check your documents, and you put your bag onto the belt yourself. So I'm in Terminal 1 sitting airside, got my coffee. Got that black coffee, wake me up. And if you are ever in if you are ever in Singapore, Terminal 1, as far as the airport, is pretty relaxed because it's a domestic terminal. There's a ton of shops over there, but my gate is D47, so I'm just kind of chilling out, waiting for my flight. I think the gate opens in 20 minutes, and one thing to note that's kind of interesting is that the security checkpoint is not where it usually is when you walk into the airport, check in, and then go to security. It is actually right before you board the plane is where they check your carry-on luggage, and but before, so you check in your bag, and then they do their border patrol stuff, and but airside is where they do their security checkpoint for like checking your personal belongings and stuff like that. So kind of interesting, kind of different. I've never had that actually anywhere I've gone. And yeah, so about 20 minutes, get that gate open, and we'll get on the jet. to thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed my experience on Jetstar Asia. They were fast, efficient, and offer some really great prices over in Asia to get around, and they're a pretty safe airline. I really enjoyed it. It is what it is as far as low cost. I know a lot of people kind of give them a hard time, but I thought they did a good job, you know. You have to pay for bags and stuff, but they do a good job, and they only accept cash, by the way, on when you want to purchase a drink and stuff, so just keep that in mind. But anyways, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like if you enjoy, that really helps me out, and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. This is Wheels Up Garrett saying peace, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.